SOG knives are renowned for their quality, durability, and precision. Crafted for outdoor enthusiasts, military personnel, and tactical professionals, these knives are built to perform in the toughest conditions. Featuring ergonomic designs and high-performance materials, SOG knives offer reliability and versatility, making them essential tools for survival, hunting, and everyday use. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 6. Sagaku Matsuda Knives. Showcase masterful craftsmanship and precision inspired by the renowned Japanese bladesmith Sagaku Matsuda. These knives combine traditional design elements with modern materials to deliver exceptional performance and durability. Featuring a robust VG10 or AOS-8 stainless steel blade, they provide outstanding edge retention and corrosion resistance for versatile use, whether in tactical, outdoor, or everyday applications. The blade's signature grind in satin or black finish enhance its aesthetic and functional appeal. The ergonomic handle, crafted from linen micarta or ghee-ten, ensures a secure, comfortable grip even in challenging conditions. Designed for strength and elegance, the Sagaku knives are equipped with a durable sheath or pocket clip for convenient carry. These blades represent the fusion of tradition and innovation, embodying the spirit of precision craftsmanship. Number 5. SOG Field Fixed Blade Knives are rugged, dependable tools built for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliability in the field. Featuring a durable 4-inch 7cr17 move stainless steel blade, these knives offer excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and versatile cutting performance for camping, hunting, or survival tasks. The full tang construction ensures robust strength, while the ergonomic textured handle provides a comfortable and secure grip in all weather conditions. Designed for practicality, the knife comes with a durable sheath for safe storage and convenient carry, allowing easy access whenever needed. Lightweight yet tough, the SOG Field Fixed blade balances functionality with durability, making it a trusted companion for tackling demanding environments, whether on the trail or in the wilderness. Reliable and versatile, it's made for those who live for adventure. Number 4. SOG Salute Folding Pocket Knife is a versatile and reliable tool designed for everyday carry and tactical use. Featuring a durable 8cr13 move stainless steel blade, it provides excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for a variety of cutting tasks. The 3.6-inch blade has a sleek, black oxide finish that enhances durability while reducing glare. Its adjustable thumb stud allows for personalized placement, ensuring smooth, ambidextrous one-handed opening. The rugged G10 handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, with added texturing for maximum control in any condition. Compact yet tough, the Salute folds neatly for pocket carry and includes a reversible, low-profile belt clip for convenient access. Built for practicality and performance, this knife is a dependable companion for outdoor adventures or everyday tasks. Number 3. SOG Centi II Folding Knives Keychain is a compact and practical keychain tool, perfect for everyday carry and on-the-go utility. Featuring a 2.1-inch 5cr15 move stainless steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for light-cutting tasks. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, the Centi II folds easily into a lightweight, minimalist design that integrates seamlessly with your keychain or pocket. Its sturdy, stainless steel handle provides a secure grip, ensuring precise control despite its small size. Weighing less than an ounce, this knife is portable yet robust enough to handle daily tasks like opening packages, cutting cord, or small repairs. Combining convenience, reliability, and compact versatility, the SOG Centi II is a handy addition to your everyday essentials. Number 2. SOG Bladelight Fillet Knives is an innovative tool designed for precision and convenience, making it an essential companion for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a 7.5-inch stainless steel blade, it provides excellent flexibility, sharpness, and corrosion resistance, ideal for filleting fish with ease and accuracy. The standout feature is its integrated blade light technology, with 6 bright LEDs embedded in the handle, illuminating your cutting surface for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. The ergonomic, glass-reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet environments. Lightweight and easy to carry, the bladelight fillet comes with a durable sheath for safe storage and transport. Combining practicality, advanced lighting, and superior cutting performance, this knife elevates the filleting experience, whether on the water or at the campsite. Number 1. SOG Pentagon Extra Knives is a high-performance tactical folding knife designed for precision, strength, and versatility in demanding situations. Featuring a 3.66-inch cryogenically heat-treated XXB stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for both piercing and slicing tasks. Its dual-edge blade, with a straight edge on one side and partial serrations on the other, provides unmatched versatility for various cutting needs. The advanced XR lock mechanism ensures smooth, ambidextrous one-handed deployment and secure blade locking, offering reliability in critical moments. Constructed with a durable and textured G10 handle, the Pentagon XR provides a comfortable, non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Lightweight yet rugged, this knife is ideal for tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable, precision-engineered tool for everyday or high-stakes use.